I think it's safe to say I got it from my mama. Inject some sort of filling substance in the hollow. You look so tired. Didn't you get any sleep last night? Are you sick? I think you should definitely wear more makeup. These are some of the phrases I'm used to hearing a lot because my association with dark circles go way back. But you know what? I've stopped looking at these as flaws that I need to fix, and instead, I found ways that I can hydrate and nourish my entire skin. And you know what? Today, I'm going to share all of those beauty hacks with you. Before we dive in, I think it's important to know why some of us even get dark circles in the first place. For me, I think it's safe to say I got it from my mama. Yes, genetics play a huge role in this. And also, I have a very thin layer of fat under my lower lid, which means my blood cells and veins are really apparent, especially on the nights that I haven't slept so well. Now, if these are your reasons as well, it's important to understand that no kind of under eye cream or serum is going to magically make them disappear, but there are ways that you can control this. Plumping up deep set eyes is a great way to brighten them. And for me, the one DIY that honestly showed its wonders in about 5 to 6 weeks was applying potato juice every day. Now, potato, as we know, is rich in niacin, which means it's going to help in any area which you have hyperpigmentation in and even work as a bleaching agent. All I do is take about 5 tablespoons of raw potato juice and mix in about half a tablespoon of coffee powder, which is another great antioxidant. I keep this on my under eye for about 20 minutes and then I wash it off. My overall skin type is dry, so I try and incorporate products that help brighten and hydrate my entire face. I've been using a vitamin C serum twice a day for a while now, and I absolutely love it. It has helped brighten up my under eye, especially on the days when I haven't slept so well. I also use an under eye cream, but that's mainly because I want to keep this area moisturized and keep fine lines at bay. Remember, all these products are going to take a while to show their results, so please be patient and consistent. Truth be told, there are certain days that almost nothing can cover my dark circles, and I'm okay with it. But if I have to go full glam on that day, here is how I conceal it. Now, nothing is going to work if I skip color correcting. So what I do is take a small amount of an orange color corrector and apply it all throughout, starting from the inner corner of my eyes. After this, I follow it up with a concealer that matches my skin tone. Buildable, creamy formulations are my favorite because they don't cake up my under eye. Now that's it, just dab some loose powder and you're good to go. Now, even though I'm more than alright with my under eye situation, in case you are someone who wants a faster and much more effective result, then you can definitely consider getting under eye fillers. This is when you go to a dermatologist who then injects some sort of filling substance in the hollows of your under eye, like hyaluronic acid. The effects of this last for at least 6 to 8 months, and the whole process takes up only about 5 to 6 minutes, and don't worry, it's completely safe too. I really do hope that these tips and tricks can help you, but more importantly, make you realize that dull and dark under eyes is nothing to be shy about. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.